Well, we got the 67 Mercury Cougar XR7 GT back. I'm having the vinyl top on, and me and my son here decided, since the glass company we normally deal with went out of business, we're putting the front window in and the back window in ourselves. We almost got her in, and he wanted to make a TikTok show you guys. So you can see we got it in there, working around. We just got the top. Figured we'd take a moment and share with you. The headliner's in, pretty good. I still got to finish getting the rest of the interior in it, but this is where we're at with it. The next step is on to the engine that's over there under the bag. 67 390 GT, not a truck 390. That is a GT 390. Marauder engines, what they used to call them. So that's all we got for you right now. But man, look at that top, man. It's slick. Ooh. All right, I'm installing the back window here in the 67 XR7 GT Cougar. We had to use a couple of the screw-in style for the studs there. Basically what I did was measure on the steel ruler how deep that went down in there, and then obviously put all the clips in. I'm not gonna go crazy with all the sealant and stuff like everyone else does, because it's got a white top. Don't want that stuff all over the place. But you can see here, pretty much we got the seal going on. Basically it's just a gasket style seal, orient it the right way, kind of put it at a 45-degree angle, 90-degree angle there a little bit, and she'll go right on. So we got her about on there. It's kind of hard to do. I ain't got nobody out here to film this, so I'm kind of making this kind of quick. We got that, and then we'll pretty much get that in there, and I'll kind of go step by step with a video on all the steps where it leads us to getting the back window. And very similar to the front window, nobody out there in YouTube land's got any videos on the back window. It's a very similar process to the front window, which we got in. We made a video, posted it on TikTok. But we got the front window in. We got all the trim on it, and looks pretty good. Not bad for never being a window installer. I put the trim back in for the dashboard there. I don't know if you can see it, but down in there where the screws are, that holds the back part of your dash in there. You got that all back in there. And getting ready to do this back window. So all right, we got the seal all the way on. Got her fitted in there real good. The next step, what we're gonna do is take the rope caulk. We're gonna feed it into the back side here. Show you when I get flipped over here. Old glass is kind of heavy, but basically what we're gonna do is we're gonna feed that rope caulk down inside of there, where it's gonna go into the window lip channel. Then we're gonna take some weed whacker string, and I'll show you how that all goes once we get her down in there. Here's the rope caulk. It's 3M. I like buying 3M. Yeah, you pay more for it, but it's better stuff. There's your part number right there, rope caulk. And show you where we're gonna put that up in the seal there. So you can see where I got the rope caulk in there. You can see we're right there. Gonna butt up with the rest of it. I got that ran all the way around. What we're gonna do is pinch that off, and then I'm gonna work the weed eater cable in there, and I'll let you know how much I'm using for this back window. Got a little tool here, basically just slide in there. Helped as I was installing the rope caulk in there. I'm not sure what they call it. They call it like strip caulk, I think, on the package. Strip caulk. But that's where we're at. We got all of our parts mostly for this build from John's Classic Cougars. There's his information on the card there that came with the rear window gasket. Stuff comes with a 2-year warranty, I believe, on the back there. And as you can see, the gasket fits very well on this back window. The front window gasket was from John's Classic Cougars also. And I got no complaints from the stuff that come from there. The vinyl top is from John's Classic Cougars also. The headliner came from West Coast Classic Cougars. It was kind of a hard one to find, I guess. This light blue that's in here is, I guess, John knew exactly that it was an early production Cougar by the color that the top is in it. And a lot of people ask about all the color combinations. Talked to the original owner, because I have the original owner's manual, and the original owner is actually still alive. He's 84 years old, and he said when he saw this car and drove by it up in Three Oaks, Michigan, at that little Ford dealership up there, he pulled right in and said he had to have it. Come to find out, the car was basically like a dealer demo car. That's why it's got all the options that it does. Pretty much the only options it doesn't have is the 427 with a 4-speed. But it's got all the other options checked, other than like cruise control. It's got the tilt column in it, tilt away steering wheel. It's got the original steering wheel in it. Pretty cool stuff. But we'll get back to this back window here and go from there. Let's see, we got the weed eater string. I think it's like 80 thousandths weed eater string. We got it in the same groove that your strip caulk is in. And basically we're gonna take it. We're gonna set her down in the window channel and go from there. All right, I got her set down in there. Basically, you wanna make sure that you get your edges, just like in the front window, you want to get them as even as you can. The back window is a little easier. I didn't need anybody's help to get the back window in. The front window, you got to have somebody kind of help you set it across there to kind of even it out. But we almost got her in there. I'm gonna go inside the car and show you what to do there. All right, what we're gonna do is take our masking tape down out of there. Just start to pull this just a little bit, and you can see how that seal went right down on the pinch weld. I mean, Down Rush's got a really good video on how to do the front window, and I figure, you know, no one's got anything on the back window, so I'm gonna do something on the back window. So I'm gonna pull this around, and you can kind of watch as that seal is starting to go. You might have to coarse it a little bit here and there, but you can see we got her to drop down in there, basically working it around. I don't have anyone out here to film, so I gotta stop and start, but I'll give you guys an idea what's going on. You can see the edges there. There's your trimmer string. Basically, we're gonna be real careful and work that in a circular motion, going up and around here. I don't know if I can get it. It's kind of hard to film. See what I'm doing at the same time. I'm gonna put this down, and once I get it all in there, then I'll stop and I'll film some more here and let you see what's going on. You can see we got the back window in. Just got to get the trim on it. Got her all in there. Same thing with the inside there. She's all in there. Inliner's still looking good. Highly advise you to use some gloves, so that strip caulk when you use the weed eater line, and use some pure petroleum jelly and get you, you know, like a small pick. Works pretty good, and I got a bigger pick, and you put that petroleum jelly on there and kind of help work that line out of there. And I got a couple like plastic door tools, you know, different little plastic tools for that. But basically that's what it is, just working that in there and getting that right. And take some videos of putting on the trim, and going from there, slowly getting it all back together here. Well, got the trim back on. It's not real hard, just pops into those tabs. Wiped it down. It's the original glass. A little scratched up there, but it's all right. And the sticker for Indiana University has always been in here since I was a little kid, so I mean, we ain't getting rid of it now. So there she is. installation of a 1967 Mercury Cougar XR7 GT back window. Nobody had a video on a back window, so we did a video on a back window. Thanks for watching, and click like and subscribe. Thank you.